you ready to sculpt beautiful glutes and legs with this 100 squats 21 days challenge? If so, let's go. We're gonna start with the feet a little bit wider than the hips. The first variation is gonna be kind of a yoga squat, something between a goblet and a plie squat. So toes just in a V, and we're gonna lower down, slowly come up. 1. So we lower more than the knees, really deep squat. 2. Warming up also with this one. 3. Keeping the abs strong. 4. Pushing the knees with the elbows. 5. In yoga it's called malasana. 6. Slow and control, we squeeze the glutes. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. Last one. And 10. Slowly lifting up. Second one, we're going to do the plie squat, lifting up on the toes. So this time the toes a little bit wider even, towards the outside like a ballerina. We're going to bring also the arms to the front when we lift on our toes. So we lower, we lift on our toes. 1, 2, squeeze the glutes. 3, 4, 5, 6. So this time knees are 90 degrees. 7, 8, 9, 10. And we stay in the same position. This time we're going to do 10 with a pulse. No lifting on the toes. So here. 1. Squeeze the glutes. 2. 3. Keep the ballerina arms. 4. 5. Back straight. 6. 7. 8. Smile on. 9. One more. 10. And we're going to stay here and we're going to lift our heels. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Amazing. 40 reps. 50th one, we're gonna do a split squat. So we're gonna bring the left leg back, shoulders back, abs strong, and we bend. 1, squeeze the glutes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing, we change the side. 60 reps, coming up. 1, 2, 3, abs strong, squeeze the glutes. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Only 40 squats left. We can do it. Now we're going to do the wide squats. So feet a little wider than the hips with a pulse. 1. So we lower down and pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, pulse, yes, 8, 2 more, 9, one more, 10. Amazing. 30 squats only left. We're gonna combine this time a squat and a leg extension. Ready? Let's go. Squat, leg extension, same side, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. We'll change the side. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10, and the last 10, we're gonna do the jumping squat to finish super strong. We can do it. I'll show you first, lowering down and jump. Let's go, 10. We can do it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing. Super proud of you. Just stretch forward, really stretching the glutes, the back of the legs. Definitely feeling the pump, more glutes focused. This 100 squats variation challenge. However, also we work the quads, so we're gonna stretch them. Bringing the heel towards the palm. Staying here 10 seconds. And changing the side. Amazing, I'm super proud of you. Make sure that you try the other 100 squats challenge. Great as well to work the legs, from different angles. And also, coming up soon, a banded 100 squats challenge. So 100 squats, 21 days challenge with a resistance band. Like, share, subscribe, and see you soon. Good vibes always. Have a beautiful day.